Guys, it's Ashley Carter. Just wanted to give you an update on a really awesome opportunity I had to do today. So Keller Williams Realty, my company, we were scheduled to have our semi-annual national convention in Austin this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the 11th through the 13th. And after Hurricane Harvey came through the Houston area, the company decided to pivot the event and pitch in to do hurricane relief. So we had our tickets booked to come down for a convention and decided to come down to help out. And what strikes me is it's sunny, it's 87 degrees, and it's amazing. And then you walk by a car like this that was clearly, you can see the lines. It's clearly over the top of this car with full water. As you look down the street, people are cutting grass again, and yet they're digging out their lives. This is another street our crews are working on. Water heaters, refrigerators, beds, mattresses, everything you can think of. The piles are literally taller than me. So this was a very hard hit street. Look at this, guys. Look at this row of debris. Just wanted to share. So the house behind us is home to a 92 and 94-year-old couple, the sweetest couple you've ever met, and yet they needed help getting their carpet demoed out, about 24 inches of drywall, and the baseboard trim, the trim around the windows, the padding underneath the carpet, spray down the 2x4s, etc. So that's what we've been doing today. It was really rewarding, and these people need a lot of help, and our office is also in Chicago Lincoln Park office has pledged to contribute $100,000 back to hurricane relief. So we're going to be doing a fund drive when we get back home to Chicago in coming weeks. So stay tuned for that. Hope everyone was safe and sound through the bad weather we've had in the last couple weeks around the country. And we'll talk to you later.